Yun sa man mo gingon sa yabi, unsa iya ingon?
Unsa day mo ni mo siya?
What? You have a problem with that, teacher? Ewan ko. Mama, what? What are my lap you said, then I said, ewan ko. Huh? Alay na to, alay. Sige. Ewan ko. Put masangkit, may lubo.
Tingnan ni mo si teacher? Ha?
Oh,
Kaya unsa din ingon niya?
Taka ginggisan ni mo maestro? Nasak lugar siya, unsa iya reaction be?
what did you?
Nasak siya kay ginggis ka?
Puta salay.
I said, what? You have a problem with that?
Gingan ni mo teacher na?
Ate, pakatanong ako to ugma. Teacher, did Kirian ask you that do you have a problem with that?
No, don't tell him. Because no. No, no.
Unsa man gyud?
Unsa day mo gingon sa imo teacher?
Alam mo, na-abri ang door na. Na-abri ang door, uy, walay tao. You close the door, please.
Hey, yo, who's that? No. Hey.
Sa imo gingon ba sa teacher?
What if you got a problem with that girl, Matt?
Gingan ni mo siya?
What?
Yes teacher, did you have ka?
Oh, you got a problem with that master girl?
Alay na.